Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Viraj and today we guys are going to discuss about a lambda function in Python. So lambda function is also called as an anonymous function or a single line function, or we can say that one liner function as well. Lambda has two things, argument and expression. Argument can be n number of, whereas expression can be only one. We can see the example. Result is a variable or object of a lambda. Lambda is a keyword a comma b colon a plus b. What this lambda function is doing? Addition of two arguments. Result 5 comma 10 is nothing but the returning 15. Similarly, we can use a conditional statement in lambda function as well. Result equal to lambda num colon, we are validating whether the number is even or odd. So even if num mod by 2 equivalent to 0, so if block is correct or true, then it will print even. If else is there, then it will print the odd. So here we are passing a result as a 10, then it is going to print a even. Let's see this practically. Lambda function result equal to lambda a comma b, our argument a plus b will be expression. Type of result is a function. If you do the help on top of it, so we will see that it is nothing but the lambda function which is having a and b. So what we need to do, result 10 and 5 or 5 and 10, anything is fine. So it is going to return a 15. What will happen if I'm doing something like 10 only? It will throw an error for a b. So it is like a normal function, but it is written in a one-liner. We don't have to use a def and anything. Okay. We can see the if-else condition or conditional statement in a lambda. Result equal to lambda num even if num mod by 2 is equivalent to 0, else odd. Result we can give a 10, it will print even. Result 11, it will print a odd. So this is how it works. Even we can write a nested condition or a nested if, but there is a catch. So for example, result lambda num data type is not valid, it must be integer. So what we are going to do, we are going to check for integer only. If num is not equivalent to integer, then only it will print this. Else even if num mod by 2, this entire thing will go in a else block. 0 else odd. Let's see result, and if I'm passing a 10, okay, it is saying that a weird message which is data type is not valid. The reason is we need to use a type. We need to use a type over here. Now it will print even result. Then we can do the something like 3. Again typing mistake, result odd. And if I'm doing a result, a list 1 2, it will say that valid, not a valid data type. Okay, so this is how we can use it, guys. That's it for this video. See you in the next.